Hi, how's it going? In this video, we're going to talk about the platform's interface. The first thing we're going to do is enter our corresponding username and password. In this section, you'll receive important notifications about your account status and connections. If an error occurs or something requires your attention, you'll see it here immediately. This helps keep everything running smoothly and without interruption. In this section, you can manage all the users in your organization from one place. Here, you can view active and available users, their status, work area, and auto application settings. You can also add new users. Don't know how to create a user? Here, I'll show you how. The first thing we're going to do is click where it says Add User. In this section, you will find the steps to complete the information of the user you want to add. In this section, you enter the email of the user you want to add. Then we enter the password, followed by the career coach, and finally we select the work area. Now we click Next. We enter the first name, last name, country, and phone number. Then we select the gender, indicate if you have any disability, and finally choose the language you are proficient in. We select the preferred country. If the user selects only the country, Sivium will automatically apply to job openings in all cities within that country. However, if the user specifies particular cities, Sivium will focus the applications only on those selected cities. Then we click Next. Here we can define the professional level, the work experience, the type of contract, and the work modality, such as remote, hybrid, or on-site. These settings help the platform better match the user with relevant job opportunities. We can also set the salary preference, including the currency and expected compensation range, which helps filter positions that align with the user's expectations. Finally, we add the job titles or positions the user is interested in. This allows Sivium to focus the automated job search and applications on roles that are most relevant to the user's career goals. By completing this section correctly, Sivium can perform more precise searches and automate job applications more efficiently, increasing the chances of finding the right job opportunities. In this section, it is also important to be very specific when entering the job titles you want to apply for. Now we click Next. Now, once everything is completed, we can review the user's details by clicking on the blue icon in the middle. In this section, you will see the summary of all applications, the average number of auto applications, and the job portals you have linked. You can also view a graph showing your activity over the last 7 days, 30 days, and 6 months. Finally, you will see the applications by country, the reach of your job portals, and at the end, your most recent applications will be displayed. In this section, you can view and edit the user's profile, including personal information, professional level, experience, languages, and skills. This information helps Sivium perform more accurate job applications based on the user's profile. In this section, we configure the user's job search preferences. Here we can define which job positions the user wants to apply for, add keywords to exclude from the search, and also exclude specific companies from the applications. These settings help Sivium better filter opportunities and perform more accurate automated job applications aligned with the user's goals. In this section, you can upload the user's CV and add cover letters that will be used during job applications. This helps customize applications based on the type of role or industry. If no CV or cover letter is added to the platform, Sivium will automatically use the documents available in the linked job portals. In this section, we configure the advanced job search and application preferences for the user. Here we can define the expected salary range, apply filters to match job opportunities with the user's profile, and select the countries or cities where the user wants to apply. We can also choose the type of contract, such as full-time, part-time, or freelance, and the work modality, including remote, hybrid, or on-site. All these settings allow Sivium to better filter opportunities and automate applications that align with the user's preferences. The Sivium board allows users to manage and organize all job opportunities in one place. From here, users can track the status of each application through different stages such as saved, applied, interviewed, achieved, or discarded. Additionally, the platform provides search and filtering tools to help users easily monitor and organize their job offers more efficiently. From here, Sivium allows you to integrate different job portals such as LinkedIn, Indeed, or Glassdoor. Once connected, the platform automates the search for opportunities and manages applications from a single place. The system will open an authentication window where the user must enter their LinkedIn credentials. In some cases, LinkedIn may require a two-step verification as a security measure. This means that after entering the email and password, the user will need to enter a verification code that may be sent to their email, mobile phone, or authentication app. Once this verification is completed and the connection is authorized, the account will be successfully linked to Sivium, allowing the platform to automate the search for opportunities and manage job applications from a single place. His dashboard provides a quick overview of the user's job application activity on Sivium. It shows key metrics such as daily auto applications, active users, and application progress over time. Additionally, it displays insights about application distribution by field, country reach, and the performance of connected job portals, helping users easily track and optimize their job search. In the Account section, administrators can manage the general account settings. Here, users can view account information, enable or disable available job portals, and configure the schedule and days for automatic applications. This allows Sivium to customize when and how the platform searches and applies to job opportunities automatically. It is recommended to keep the hour max set to this time so that job applications can run throughout the entire day. And that's it. Your account is now ready to start automating your job search with Sivium. Thank you for watching this tutorial.